From face shields, gowns and gloves to masks only. For 2.5 years now, Canberra's health and aged care workers have been donning some form of PPE for hours at a time to protect against COVID-19.
It is challenging to wear PPE every day, every shift, particularly in those hotter months. However, it hasn't been our experience that it's those workers in those settings that have become more relaxed.
Rather, it's the visitors increasingly making mask mistakes.
Who are generally in the community not having to wear a mask. I mean, you probably have seen it yourself. People have put the mask under their nose or it's not fitting properly.
That's despite the Territory's worsening COVID caseload. A further 1,134 cases were recorded to 8 p.m, and 136 people are in hospital with the virus. There's more known active infections than ever, and the number of hospitalisations is at its second highest level.
It is looking clear that we are on an upward trend in terms of the number of active cases, and certainly the conversation that we had in Health Ministers last week was that we are expecting a new wave of COVID-19.
There's this view that we've gone back to normal. We're not. We're still in a pandemic. People are still getting very sick. People are still dying from COVID.
ACT mask mandates remain in a handful of circumstances, including for some household contacts, on public transport and for anyone entering a high-risk setting.
The Australian Health Protection Principal Committee is looking very closely at what recommendations they might make going through this winter period, and we're not ruling anything out.
If it needs to be adjusted because of the changing situation, that is something that we'll be absolutely open to.
For now, though, only hospital visitors are subject to tougher rules. No eating or drinking on wards, so no mask removal. And regular PCR tests in higher risk areas like the cancer centre.
And that would be something like asking the visitor to be tested every 48 hours.
Those changes took effect on July the 1st. Emmy Groves, ABC News, Canberra.